Good morning children. Open your new Sparkle semester series standard 2nd semester 1 book. Open page number 10, lesson number 2, holidays at grandparents house. We have completed the paragraph from it was the month of May till pink roses, and I told you to write the spellings and learn by heart. Have you by hearted children? Okay, now come to the next paragraph. See here. There was a big mango tree in the corner of the garden. What was there? There was a big mango tree in the corner of the garden. There were mangoes. There were mangoes. पेड़ पे मैंगो लगे हुए थे on the tree. Some were yellow and ripe. येलो कलर इट वॉज. येलो कलर मीन्स राइप मीन्स पका हुआ, जो पक जाते हैं, खाने के लायक हो जाता है. समवेयर ग्रीन एंड रॉ. थोड़े ग्रीन कलर के थे. जो रॉ मीन्स जो पका हुआ नहीं है, जो कच्चा है उसे हम खाने से खट्टा लगता है. विच इज़ येलो कलर, विच इज़ राइप वन, इट्स वेरी टेस्टी एंड यू कैन ईट. रॉ वन यू कैन ईट बट it will be no sweet. It will be not sweet. So, a few birds had built their nests on the mango tree. वहाँ पे अपना घोंसला बनाया. Nest have built their nest. Baby birds in the nest being fed by their mothers. A few birds, what they did children? They built a nest. घोंसला बनाया हुआ था. द चिल्ड्रन सॉ बेबी बर्ड्स. वॉट डिड द चिल्ड्रन सी इन द नेस्ट? बेबी बर्ड्स. बर्ड्स के बच्चे हुए थे. और इन द नेस्ट्स बीइंग फीड बाय देयर मदर्स. उनकी माँ उनको फीड कर रही थी, खाना खिला रही थी. फीड कर रही थी, उसे खिला रही थी. देन सो हियर यू टेक डाउन द वर्ड्स, दैट इज mango, underline mango, corner, garden is already given. Again there are some new words now that you take down. Tree, yellow, ripe, then green, then raw, then bird, spelling of birds, then built, built, built their nests. Then children saw baby, baby, baby in the nests is given, no? Nests being feed means उनको खिलाना. बच्चे छोटे तो अपने आप नहीं खा सकते. बेबी जो रहते हैं तो उनको माँ खिलाती है. ओके. There were small pond in the center of the garden. In the center of the garden, what was located? What was there children? A small pond was there. एक छोटा सा पानी की क्या बोलते हैं उसको, पानी जमा हुआ रहता है वहाँ पे. They were white and pink lilies floating in the pond. वो पॉन्ड के अंदर क्या था? वो पॉन्ड के अंदर, पॉन्ड यानी छोटा सा एक घर के सामने एक गड्ढा खोदा हुआ होता है जिसके अंदर बहुत सारे पानी होते हैं. वहाँ पे छोटे छोटे पेड़, लिलीज फ्लोटिंग इन द पॉन्ड. पिंक, वाइट एंड पिंक लिलीज. लिली फूल का नाम है पिंक कलर का. वो उसमें पौधा उग गया था. देन दे ऑल्सो सॉ कलरफुल फिश इन द पॉन्ड. वो फिश के अंदर, वो पॉन्ड के अंदर फिश भी था. There were fish in the pond and also some white and pink lilies floating in the pond. Floating यानी वो बह रहे थे, float हो रहा था. Then take down the spelling of small, pond, center, then spelling of white, pink, lilies, floating, pond is given, fish. Okay. Okay. Sunil and Sana had a great time playing in the garden and watching birds and bees. They played, they had a great time. बहुत समय बिताया उन्होंने watching, playing in the garden, watching birds and bees, honey bees उड़ रहे थे यहाँ वहाँ पे, वो सब देखने के लिए, वॉचिंग करने के लिए उन्हें बहुत मज़ा आया गार्डन में. दे स्पेंड देयर टाइम विद देयर ग्रैंड माँ एंड ग्रैंड पा. उन्होंने अपने दादा दादी के साथ बहुत समय बिताया, बहुत खुश हो गए. ग्रैंड माँ टोल्ड देम स्टोरीज एंड ग्रैंड पा शोड देम डिफरेंट प्लेसेस. ग्रैंड माँ टोल्ड देम ब्यूटिफुल स्टोरीज, yes, and grandpa showed them the places where he has taken them in the garden, what is there, where it is located, and what places, what flowers, this, that, whatever they have planted inside the garden. Grandpa was telling to these two children, their grandchildren. Grandpa and grandma was telling story, and grandpa was showing them different places. Okay, then take down the spelling, new spelling, children. Great, that is playing and all. Watching birds and bees, they spend there with their grandma and grandpa. No, told them stories and grandpa showed. Take the spelling of SHOWED. Different spelling you take down, and places. If the spellings are repeated, if the spellings are repeated, you can cancel or you can write once again. All these words you have to write 5, 10 children. Okay. They spend their summer holidays with their grandparents in the lap of nature. What did they do, children? They spent their summer vacation with their grandparents. They were very happy in the lap of nature. प्रकृति के गोद में बच्चों ने बहुत एंजॉय किया. लैप यानी उनके प्रकृति के गोदी में उन्हें बहुत मज़ा आया. उनके धरती पर, प्रकृति की धरती पर, नेचर की धरती पर जब उन्होंने इतना एंजॉय किया तो बच्चों ने बहुत आनंद उठाया. ओके, दिस इज़ द एंड ऑफ द स्टोरी, हॉलीडेज एट ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हाउस. Children, you also enjoy when you go to your grandparents or your relatives, some other relatives also. If they are your auntie, uncle also, you can enjoy. You all are also going in the month of summer vacation. Yes or no? You enjoy a lot. Okay, now oral work. Oral work. When did your last summer vacation begin? When did your last summer vacation begin? You have to answer in the class. Where did you go during the summer vacation? Where did you go during the summer vacation, children? This is the questions for you. You can write in home also. Only 1 or 2 words, a word you can write here. Did you take up any hobby during the vacation? Did you take up any hobby during the vacation? If you done yes, you write yes. If you say no, no, don't write no. If you have done, write yes. With whom did you spend your vacation? With grandma, grandpa. You write here. Did you read any story books? Name them. If you have read any story book, now how I told you the story, holidays at grandparents' house. If this way, if you have read any story, you can mention the name. Okay? Yes. Now see here. The exercise 1, that is tick the correct statements and X the wrong one. X the wrong one. You have read the lesson now. If you have gone through the lesson, no. Then means you will be able to answer. If you have understood the lesson. Have you understood the lesson? Okay. See here. Sunil and Sana went to Mangalore. Yes. Who will tell me? Is it correct or wrong? Correct. Then put here tick. This way. Tick. Have you corrected? Okay. The children travelled by a bus. The children travelled by a bus. Yes, have they? You have gone through the lesson, no? Understood the lesson? Yes. No teacher. Then this is wrong, no? They didn't go by bus. They went by train. See here. They traveled by a train from Bangalore to Mangalore. Mangalore. Yes or no? Mangalore. So, right here, this is wrong. This is wrong. The grandparents waited inside the house. See children, we have read in the lesson, they were standing outside. उनका गेट के बाहर इंतज़ार करते थे. Yes. It was a small cottage with a beautiful garden. It was a small cottage with a beautiful garden. They saw grandpa and grandma waiting near the garden gate. The children jumped and ran. They hugged their grandparents. They were thrilled to see the beautiful garden. Now what we have come here? The grandparents waited inside the house. No, this is wrong. So children, now I will ask you to write this two as your own. You go through the lesson, read, and there were lotus flowers in the pond. The children caught butterflies. These two you should mark here, correct or wrong. I have showed you these three, and this two is for you as homework. And the words which I have given you today, new words, that is mango, corner, yellow, ripe, green, these all words. You have to write each words 5 times. Okay. With this, I will end till here today. These two also, only two. Statement, correct or wrong. Only two I have given children. That means you have to read the lesson carefully and write this. It is correct or wrong. I will ask you tomorrow again. Understood? So, okay children. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Take care.